Lok Sabha member from Shillong and Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent Pala is all set to make an entry into the state politics via the upcoming assembly polls. Revealing this here on Friday, Congress Working President PNCM confirmed Pala's plan to contest from the Sutanga Saipung constituency against former party colleague turned Trinamool Congress MLA Shitlang Pale. CM said Congress is not projecting anyone as the chief ministerial face since the party has a tradition of the elected MLAs choosing their leader of the House.
Mr. Vincent Pala also contesting elections this time?
Yes.
From which
From Sutna against Bashir Lampali. These chances, I think being the MP, so popular, the president of the party, I think people, they knew him very well. So I think for him, it is a problem to win. He will win. As of now, we have not projected anyone to as the chief minister, because that depends on the post-election. I think you understand, as per the procedure, those who win the election, they will form the CLP. The CLP will decide who will be their leader.
The Indian Air Force